Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you an extraordinary, clean, original machine here. This is a 2007 Bobcat S330. This machine is cab, heat, air, keyless dash, has 1,904 hours, power quick attach. It is a very, very clean, original machine. Other than the bucket, we painted the bucket. There's no touch up on the white, no touch up on the cab. It is not paint peeled. Original paint on the wheels. We put 4 brand new 14-17-5 tires on it. This is as nice a skid steer that I have owned all year that is original. If this machine showed 600 hours, you would believe it. It's just, man took incredible care of this machine. These are 92 horsepower Kubota V3800T. This is the last of the good machines that were built. In my opinion, this is a K-series skid steer. So we're going to take you back here, start in the engine compartment, take you complete around this machine. We'll start, run it, and work it for you, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Come on back. So, back door, paint is all original. Nothing has been touched up or painted. It's incredibly straight. It opens as easy as can be. All the sound deadening material is in here and intact and in very nice shape. We've done a full service, both air filters, engine oil, fuel. Under the cab you would have charge fan filter and your hydraulic filter. That has all been changed. It does have a plug-in block heater, which with the Kubota you really don't need. They do start very easily. You can see there we have changed engine oil. Again, it's a V3800T, and this was the biggest wheeled skid steer that they made in the S-series machines. Again, extremely clean inside the engine compartment. Look back here at the white paint. I mean, this machine really speaks for itself. All the guys on the internet want to talk about quality and all this crap. Right here is quality. I mean, here is something that was not touched up. It is unmolested. Look back here where your back tires, usually throws crap up on that rusts up the powder coat. Not at all. 07 K-series machine. The only thing we did do is we put 2 new decals on both sides. No oil leaks. Hydraulic oil reservoir. Again, 4 brand new D-stone rim guards, 1475 tires. I put a factory Bobcat 80-inch bucket with it. Beautiful cutting edge. Up here, your power quick attach. Everything there is intact. The paint on the quick attach itself is all original. Again, there was no paint touch-up on this machine. Your auxiliary hydraulic lines. See, the cab door is nice and straight. Opens very nice. A lot of the zinc plating is still on all the bolt heads. We'll take you inside the cab. One thing I'll mention on the cab, the ROPS is very nice and straight. The grab handles are straight. Has the sound deadening material inside the cab. That's sometimes it looks like somebody got something on their shirt, white paint or something, and set in the seat. Seat's excellent suspension seat. Standard control machine. One thing, even the seat still slides. New internator cabin filters. Here's your controls, cigarette lighter, windshield wiper, air conditioning works. We're going to go ahead and start it. We're going to take you here. Active warnings, no active warnings. Let's go to loader features. Let's go to vitals. You can see all your vitals. 1,904 hours. No error codes. Bucket positioning valve. Standard flow machine. This is not a high flow, or this button would light up. Cab heat air. Wiper. Washer. All the glass is beautiful and intact. This is just an extremely nice machine. I'm very happy to own this machine. Power bob attach up and down, park brake switch. I'm going to turn this camera back over to Matt. I want everybody to understand, stuff like this you do not find. So if you're some guy who wants to make some crazy offer, just let me alone. I don't mean that to be rude. You can't find stuff like this, and they're done making these machines. This machine here is, in my opinion, 5 to 8 times more than what the new M series loaders are. This is a real machine. It's cab heat air, power attach, 2-speed, and it's a 330. And I would beg to wager with anybody out there, it's probably one of the nicest 330s on the market, as in original condition as you'll find. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to fire this thing up. We're going to run it around, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. guys, I hope you can see there from the video, this machine is 110% ready to go. I actually had somebody comment on that the other day. Said, why do you say 110% is about a 200? It's just a figure of speech. And it really does kind of, I don't know how to put this politely, we do these videos for our customers so that we can show you the accurate truth of what a machine is. We really don't do it for some smart aleck on YouTube that's sitting behind his computer that isn't even interested in the machine but always has something to say. So long story short, you know, we are 110% part of doing these YouTube videos again for our customers. And at the end of the day, if you can't tell what we're doing here, to be honest, then I don't know how to be any more accurate or honest in what we do. We take the time, we run the machine, put it in the pile, show you that everything works, spin the tires, that kind of thing. And you can see in this 330 when I turn with the boom up, the boom isn't going like this, okay? It's a big thing. The pins are tight. This was an incredibly cared for machine. I would put this up against a 600 or 700 hour machine any day of the week. It is that clean. You just don't see stuff like this anymore. If you have any questions about this machine, please call us at 814-658-3066. If you want to come by and see it yourself in person, we're located right here at 18563 Bun Mountain Road, Saxton, Pennsylvania, 16678. Have been for 37 years, and we're hopefully going to be here another 37. We're not out to hurt anybody, fool anybody, screw anybody. We are here to be honest people about our used equipment. And again, always check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Check us out on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. Again, if you have any questions whatsoever, please give Matt or I a call. We'll be glad to help you. And we can easily be reached again at 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.